Hello everyone, my name is Hassan Adouh, and today me and my clubmates would like to tell you a bit about our YouTube channel and about the videos we will be making in the future. But before all of that, let me tell you about our computer science club. We are Lebanese International University students, and our goal is simple. It is to try to explore the vast world of coding while trying to help others along the way. Me and many speakers in the club are eager to share our interests in this field, from the vast intricacies of the World Wide Web to some of the most fascinating achievements of mankind in the study and development of artificial intelligence and deep learning.
Hello, my name is Ghazi Sarraj. As much as interesting as the World Wide Web and artificial intelligence sound, there is still so much more from web design, mobile, desktop applications, and so much more that can be created and developed, not to even mention all the different programming and markup languages that can be used to develop them. We are planning on making many videos about a variety of computer subfields, so consider subscribing and follow our social media, Facebook, Instagram. Have a nice day.